Let's see if my equation works. Frustrating that the drone doesn't fly. Oh, it does seem like I'm figuring out how to get around it, but it doesn't take away the fact that it's frustrating. However, it doesn't escape me that it's a privilege to have that frustration here. This is a dream destination. I know that. But to clarify, this isn't just a vacation to me. This is where I come to do my hobby. And the drone is a strategic, important tool in telling the stories. So how will I compensate? What I'll do? Well, I've got several other cameras. And I'll figure it out. I'll problem solve. It's what I do best. However, that doesn't take away from the frustration. But my goodness, it makes it that much sweeter when I launch it. One day I'm going to edit this and put it together. And I hope when you're watching it, you understand how magnificent the moment really is. Because I didn't give up. I didn't give up. Now I'm glad I left the hotel, but I will tell you, I was exhausted, fatigued. So this is my second, third, fourth time coming in the morning. And first of all, there's no other time to be here because this is when the sun rises. But there's never anybody here. That's not a complaint. But it's a fascination, you know. Because there are lines of people trying to get into Disney World. And there's lines of people waiting for a new iPhone. There's just lines. People line up for stuff. You're lining up for the wrong thing. You know, I've never explored anywhere over here. You know what's fascinating? Is that at one time, somebody made the effort and built stairs. Frustrating. But I didn't come out. Oh, this rock is cold. Okay. Alright, well, if I learned anything. Okay. It's crazy. Technology. Okay, let's go. I promised the offering tree, and I have a gift for it. Yes, it's frustrating, but I can't be upset about the several times that it doesn't go up, because I am gifted with the occasional time that it goes up. It's still frustrating.